Hey guys, we're live at 9:12 p.m. And as I copy my list of 38 spots, oh, come on back down. There they are. Copy the list of 38 spots for the second of the beastly AFA Yak Face and Blue Snags. I'm going to paste the list in here. 38 spots. I believe the top 5 win spots in the main on this one. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 4, so I'm rolling again. Now we got a 5. We're good for some sweet action here, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna get down to it. David, Troy, and Alex round out the top 3. Gary round 2. Andrew round 3. Eric round 4, and our winners are Gary, Eric, Andrew, Steve, and David. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code and official results. LOUNKX. There's our results. I am done at 9:14. If I can ever get to the bottom. There it is. Although, you guys are ridiculous. There it is. It's slowing me down, though. Oh, we're grinding this out. Here we go. All right. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congratulations, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Let's close this out tomorrow. Bye.